Hey everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a fantastic day so far. Today we're going to look at a 2017 Chevy Bolt EV LT and a white metallic exterior. I would like to mention that this vehicle has a clean CARFAX with 2 previous owners. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits to own this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first thing that you'll take notice of is those gorgeous LED headlights. Down right below that, you'll also see that it comes with running LED fog lights. And then the final thing here to be noted here on the front is that beautiful blacked out bow tie Chevy emblem. As we make our way to the side, you'll notice the like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. Now there is something to be noted before we show you guys this beautiful interior. Here on your door handles, as long as that key's in your pocket, you press that button, it'll lock and unlock. But moving forward, let's go ahead and show you guys this beautiful interior. This is gonna come with a two-tone gray on gray premium cloth interior with some of this red stitching here along the sides. Turning around here to the dash, that same concept of the two-tone gray on gray dash will stay consistent with some of this white glossy trim. While we're in here, let's go ahead and drop the glove box, grab the inspection sheet out, and show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now on this specific Chevy Bolt, your tire depths will be 10 and 32 seconds all the way around. Brakes in the front will be 13 and 32 seconds, with the rear brakes being 10 and 32 seconds. Here in the back seat, that beautiful two-tone gray on gray premium cloth interior will stay the same. Here at the rear now, this vehicle will come equipped with a backup camera. But while we're back here, let's go ahead and pop the trunk for you guys, showing you guys exactly how much space there actually is. Now, there is plenty of space back here to haul groceries or anything that you can possibly think of. Not to mention, this does come with all WeatherTech lined floor mats and a privacy shader back here as well. Moving now to some of the interior features of the vehicle, it will come equipped with power locks, power mirrors, power windows, and manual seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this beauty up for you guys. Now, the first thing that you'll take notice of is exactly how quiet it is. That is because this is a fully electric vehicle. Now, the air vents are quite loud. That is just because I do have it at full blast. It is very warm out today. But you'll also notice that this vehicle comes with just over 43,000 miles on it. To the left side, behind your steering wheel, you'll have the brightness to your driver display as well as your headlight options. The left knob behind your steering wheel will be your high beams, low beams, as well as your turn signals. The right side will be your front and rear windshield wiper adjustments. The left side of your steering wheel will be your cruise control options with some other FAV options down there as well. And then the right side of your steering wheel will be your touch to talk as well as your center display options. Coming here into the middle, you will have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, and as I mentioned before, a backup camera. There it is. Beautiful. Now, if you don't want to use the touchscreen display, there are some manual options here on the left side as well. Not to mention the climate control at the touch of your fingertips. Right below that, you'll have your four-way options, your sport mode, and your traction control. And then located below, you will have a 12-volt plug-in as well as a small storage compartment and a larger storage compartment down there. 2 cup holders there, your beautiful shifter, your parking brake, another small storage compartment equipped with 2 USB ports and an auxiliary line in. Go ahead and move those keys, and then you will have a center console, a large center console here as well. Go ahead and move this back, and there she is. To end off the interior features of this vehicle, up top you will have your OnStar options there, as well as the option for your lighting to your driver and passenger. Just gonna go ahead and give you guys a little overlook of the engine. Like I had mentioned, this is a fully electric vehicle, so you won't have your typical specs on your engine. However, like I mentioned in every other video, you'll notice how clean and well maintained all of our engine bays are, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you will just have a couple of small typical stone chips. Like I said in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep it garage kept its entire life. However, as we make our way around the rest of this vehicle, it is extremely well maintained and hardly no scratches, no marks, no dings. Until we get back here towards the rear of the vehicle, there are going to be some typical trunk scratches back here. Then coming down the driver's side of the door, There are going to be some slight imperfections here on the passenger back seat door there as well. Other than that, this is an extremely clean 2017. That's all I have for you guys today on this gorgeous 2017 Chevy Bolt EV LT. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or just go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCollumsburg, PA.